Hello everyone, and today we are going to learn a new activity, an activity to draw using possession words. So sit with your paper and pencil or a blank book. Right, we begin now. Look at what I am drawing. I am drawing a sun which is circular in shape, and sun is up in the sky, and these are the rays of the sun. What else can we see up in the sky? Yes, we can see birds flying in the sky. So I am drawing birds. One bird I drew, now another bird. You can draw a slanting V or a slanting R also. Three birds I have drawn, and the sun and birds are up in the sky. Up. Now down we come. What am I drawing? Two standing lines and an oval shape. We have learned to draw an oval shaped tree, no? So a tree down on the ground. Another tree I am drawing towards the left. Two standing line and triangle. One triangle and another triangle on top of it. And wow, I've got two trees down and sun and birds up in the sky. Now I am drawing grasses. See? And grasses are down on the earth, no, on the ground. So how can we draw grasses? You can draw V and a standing line in between the V, or two slanting line and a standing line in between. Can you all see? Yes, see, I have drawn grasses. Nicely and slowly draw without rubbing. Draw nicely. It's okay however you draw. Right, you finished drawing grasses, and as you can see, even grasses are down. Right, now we will make a house using the square shape, right, and a triangle on top for the roof. Can you see? You've learned this before also. And two square windows, small squares. See how teacher is drawing? Draw accordingly, it's very easy. Right? And now a door, a rectangle shape for the door. So from this we can say that the house is behind the tree and the tree is in front of the house. Now we are making a pot below. Can you see? From the pot is coming out the stem, and I am drawing a flower, a circle shape, and then petals around it. Slowly, see how teacher is drawing the petal, joining each line. Right, can you see the flowers? Yes, the petals, how teacher is drawing. Look carefully and draw accordingly. One flower I drew, and now I'm drawing another flower. Another stem will come out from the plant, and draw a circle and then petals around it. So from this we can see, can you see where the flowers are growing? The flowers are growing inside the pot, right? The flowers are growing inside the pot. And where are the grasses situated? The grasses are situated outside the pot. So from this we learn inside and outside. Okay, and now we also learn the pot is between the tree and the house. So from this drawing you can learn the possession words of up, down, behind, in front of, inside, outside, and in between. So in this video we learned the possession words. Very soon I'll be back with a new video. Thank you.